8 Effects on health if you eat meat often. Eating meat is certainly very good for your body because meat is a good source of animal protein for the body. It's just that eating too much meat can have an effect on your body's health. Besides usually containing protein, meat is important to consume because there are several nutrients needed by the body, such as B vitamins, zinc, and iron. However, everything that is excessive is certainly not good, including eating meat. Although protein from meat is very beneficial for the body, consuming too much meat or high-protein foods has negative health effects, ranging from mild to serious and life-threatening symptoms. Some effects of eating too much meat. 1. Often sleepy. Protein is known to be able to keep you energized for a longer period of time. However, the protein is slowly digested by the body. Because your brain can only use glucose for energy, its energy supply can be left behind when protein is slowly digested. Protein takes a little longer to get to your brain. Too much meat eating will make it difficult for you to focus, said Passerrello. As a result, you will easily get drowsy due to fatigue. 2. It worsens the appearance of your hair and skin. If you eat too much meat, there is a high probability that you will not consume other food groups. Vitamin C is rarely found in animal products. So, if you eat meat too often, you can lack it. Meanwhile, vitamin C plays a role in forming collagen, which is a protein that gives structure to the skin, hair, nails, bones, and more. If you lack vitamin C, you may see changes in your body. Skin can be rough and bumpy. You might see a few strands of hair that grow less attractive. 3. Easy to get sick. The skin is not the only sign that you are deficient in vitamin C. If you find it easy to catch a cold, it means that you lack vitamin C too. Change your eating habits by controlling meat intake and replacing it with vitamin C. People who often experience it are ketosis dieters. People who are on a ketosis diet or keto diet usually don't eat a lot of fruit. In fact, fruit is the best source of vitamin C. 4. Constipation. Meat has almost no fiber, as you usually get from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. When you experience constipation and painful bowel movements, the sign is that you lack fiber. Instead of eating meat too often, it's better to balance it with healthy carbohydrates such as wheat or fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are one of the best ways to get fiber because you also get very good nutrition. 5. Disorders of the liver. Another benefit of fiber is that it helps protect your body from cholesterol absorption, which should protect your heart. If what you often consume is red meat and processed meat, you can get a loss. Red meat is high in saturated fat, which according to research can increase bad cholesterol and the risk of heart disease. In addition, this type of red meat is not good for your heart. The American Heart Association recommends that you limit saturated fat intake from 5 to 6% of total calories, or 13 calories on a 2,000 calorie diet. 6. Increased weight. The protein content in meat is very high and is usually good for building muscle in the body. It's just that the side effects of eating too much meat can make you gain weight. If you eat more protein than your body needs, you don't store it as protein, but you store it as fat. 7. Kidney disorders. Excess protein can affect your kidneys. Excessive meat intake can make the kidneys work harder, because the kidneys will try to remove nitrogen from the body through urine. The more meat you consume, the harder your kidneys will work. Especially if someone's kidney function has decreased, then the meat will cause kidney problems to gain weight. Therefore, those who have certain degrees of kidney disorders are recommended by doctors to limit meat. 8. Your body must be harder in fighting inflammation. One study says that saturated fats in meat can increase inflammation in the body. Plus, meat contains very little antioxidant content to fight inflammation. That's the effect when you eat too much meat. Not that you can't eat meat, but limit the intake and combine it with vegetables and fruits.